Hey, what's up? It is me again. Welcome to my channel. For those who have never known me, I am Alfred John Uchia, aka AG. So right now, I am going to make a video tutorial about distance, displacement, speed, and velocity. But before we start, let us know first what is distance. So what is distance? Distance is the length of path traveled by a body while moving from initial point or position to a final positions. Distance is a scalar quantity, which means it has size or magnitude only and need no other information to specify them. What is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of the body. Displacement is defined as a vector quantity, which means it have both sides or magnitude and a direction called the line of action of the quantity. Then, what is speed? Speed defined as the rate of change of position of an object in any direction. It is a measure of the ratio of distance to the line in which the distance was covered. And velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is called or defined as a vector measurement of the rate and the direction of the motion. It is a speed at which something moves in one direction. For more information, let us discuss how to calculate the distance, displacement, speed, and velocity. Let's go. Let have example number 1. A physics teacher walks 8 meter north to visit the school and then walks 4 meter west to buy foods in the mall. Find the total distance traveled by physics teacher and her total displacement. So, we're gonna put the capital letter from distance, then we copy the 8 meter north, which is kani, then and copy 4 meter west, then we come up the total distance of physics teacher walks is 12 meters. So 12 meter, then we're gonna find the displacement. So we're gonna do the Pythagorean theorem. So as if the 8 meter is the A, then the 4 meter is the B. So let's start. So C to, then A to, then B to, then C to, then we come up our displacement is 8.94 meter. The direction is northwest. Problem number 2. Alfred John Uchia runs 40 meter north and 60 meter east. Find the distance and displacement. So we find the distance. So D, capital letter D, then find the 40 meter plus 60 meter is 40 meter, then total 100 meter. So let's find the displacement. So we're gonna do a Pythagorean theorem. So this one, then this one. So as if 40 meter is letter A, then 60 meter is B. So we draw the then E2 A squared plus B squared. C squared equals 1000 600 plus 3,600. So C equals 5,200. So let's make ato mawagtang, then cancel. C equals 72.11 meter. So this is our displacement. So problem number 3. Manny Pacquiao jogging 200 meter is then 60 meter race. Find the distance and displacement of Manny Pacquiao jog. So we put letter D as distance. So equals D1 plus D2. So copy the D. Then D1 is our 200 meter plus D2 is 60 meter. So let's add the 200 plus 60. 200 plus 60 is equals 260 meter. So this is our distance. So let's find the displacement. So displacement equals D1 minus D2. Displacement equals 200 meter minus 60 meter. So 200 meter minus 60 meter equals 140 meter. Then we need to find the direction. So S west, S. So this is our displacement. So problem number 1 of speed. A car travels a distance of 20 km in 12 minutes. Find the speed of the car within km per hour. So the formula of speed is speed equals distance divided by time. So the distance of the given is 20 kilometer. Then the time is 12 minutes. So hour may pangita. So we convert minutes to hour. So 12 over 60 equals 0.2 hour. So 20 kilometer divided by 0.2 hour equals to, our speed is 100 kilometer per hour. So mao ni ato ang speed. Problem number 2. A van travels 50 miles in 2 hours. What is its average speed? So let's put the formula of speed. Speed equals D over divided by time. So the distance of the given is 50 miles divided by the time is 2 hours. So 50 divided by 2 is equal to 25 miles per hour. So our speed of the given is 25 miles per hour. Problem number 3. A man walk 20 kilometer in 4 hours. Find his speed. So let's write the formula of speed. Speed equals distance divided by time. So the distance of the given is 20 kilometer divided by 4 hours equals speed equals 20 divided by 4 equals to 5 kilometer per hour. So our speed of this given is 5 kilometer per hour. Move to velocity. Problem number 1. A helicopter is heading due north at 12 km per hour in a wind moving 7 km per hour eastward. Determine the resultant velocity of the helicopter. So we do the Pythagorean theorem. So this one 7 kilometer per hour, 12 kilometer per hour. So muna itong B, this is our B, then this is our A. So C squared equals A squared plus B squared. C squared equals 7 squared plus 12 squared equals 49 plus 144. C squared equals 193 kilometer per hour. So let's do the one. C equals
our direction is from
so let's come up tag kilometer per hour. So our velocity is 13.90 kilometer per hour. Problem number 2, velocity. Number 2. If a car changes its speed from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second in just 5 seconds, what is the average velocity of the car? So the question of this given is what is the average velocity of the car? So equals 10 meter per second, velocity equals 20 meter per second, time taken na to is 5 seconds. So average velocity equals U plus B divided by 2. So 20 meter per second plus 10 meter per second divided by 2 equals 20 plus 10 equals 30 meter per second, then divided by 2. So 15 meter per second. So our velocity of this given is 15 meter per seconds. Velocity problem number 3. Problem number 3. A car travels at uniform velocity a distance of 100 meter in 4 seconds. What is the velocity of the car? So here is our example. Here is our given order. So 100 divided by 4 is equal to 25. Velocity equals to 25 meter per second. So this is our velocity. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you learned something. See you again on my vlog. Thank you.